Hey guys, Adam and Emily here. We've just arrived in Manuel Antonio from Monteverde.
We have 4 days here, so we're super excited to check out the national park and all of the beaches. Hey everyone, and welcome to Manuel Antonio. We're swimming at the biggest public beach in Manuel Antonio, known as Playa Estevilla. We're gonna take a swim, it's pretty warm.
Today is our second day in Manuel Antonio, and today we are going to check out the national park. It's our first full day, so we're really excited. We're going to start off with a guided tour throughout the park so we can hopefully find lots of wildlife. We just finished up with our guided tour in Manuel Antonio National Park. It was awesome. We had the best guide. We saw sloths, a ton of monkeys, what else? Lizards, all sorts of awesome animals.
So now we've changed into our bathing suits and we're gonna go swimming in two of the most beautiful beaches we've ever seen, Playa Manuel Antonio and Playa Estevilla. We're currently swimming in Playa Estevilla inside Manuel Antonio National Park, and it is absolutely beautiful. The water is warm, there's not really any waves, so it's perfect to just sit and relax.
And the part that's great about this is since it's in the national park, it's a little bit less crowded than the free one which we were at yesterday, which you can see way over there behind us. We've cooled off a little bit now that we swam at the beaches, and we got really lucky. We saw a ton of monkeys, so we got a lot of pictures and videos with them.
Now we're heading up the Cathedral Trail to Cathedral Point, which will give us great views of all of the surrounding beaches.
Today's another gorgeous day in Manuel Antonio, and we're going to spend it by going to the Damas Island Estuary, where we're going to kayak through some mangroves.
We heard there are a bunch of monkeys that love to get up close to people, so we hope we get to play with them today.
Woohoo!
We're currently kayaking through the mangroves. It's absolutely beautiful. We haven't seen any wildlife yet, but we've been assured that we definitely will later on. We loved Manuel Antonio National Park so much the other day that we decided to come back again today.
So today we're going to explore some more of the secluded trails and beaches. So now we're going to head down the Mirador Trail, which is technically the most difficult trail in the park. But at the top there's supposed to be a really nice viewpoint, so let's go check it out. viewpoint we were just at was the Playa Escondido viewpoint. We thought we could swim there, but looks like it's closed down for swimming due to some rocks and tides and whatnot. So now we're gonna head over to Playa Gemelos.
So here is Playa Gemelos. It's one of the smaller, more secluded beaches in Manuel Antonio National Park, and it's just as beautiful as all of the others too. To leave the national park, you can walk around the Playa Espadilla Trail, which is a sandy path that also has great views of the beach if you look to the side. So it's kind of sad to leave with all this beauty around us. So we're on a catamaran tour. It's the biggest one in Costa Rica. It's called the Ocean King. Right now there's about 150 people on it.
It is crowded, but this is the best way that we can be spending our last day in Manuel Antonio, as well as our last day in Costa Rica. We're just having a blast. Alright, so we're out here in the middle of the ocean on the Ocean King, and we just got super lucky. We got to see two whales. Three whales. They kept popping their heads out of the water. It was totally awesome.
Out here swimming in the Pacific Ocean, jumping off the boat and riding down the water slide. It's a blast!
Pretty solid ending to a perfect game. Nice Pacific sunset to our catamaran cruise.
So today's our last day in Manuel Antonio. We're going to spend it chilling by the pool before we have to take a long bus ride back to the airport and then go home.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video on Manuel Antonio and found it useful. If you want to check out the rest of our Costa Rican adventures, check out our Arenal and Monteverde videos. And if you like our content, please subscribe to our channel.